How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is just going to be stash ads and mail call and what I'm going to be building for the race of gentlemen and my next project. So, with that being said, before we get this started, I want to thank all my subscribers. If it wasn't for you, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. No, sir, not at all. Like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Whatever makes your world go around, guys. Whatever makes your world go around. Subscribing's free. Free. I'm a channel that'll never ask you for nothing. It's just free. Just watch, enjoy, support everybody in the community. That's all I ever ask for. All right. Well, as you can see, Rob from Mr. Time Machine Scale Models, you can see that he got his stuff in. We did a little trade, and this is what I was wanting right here. I can't remember if I was wanting to make a NASCAR out of that or if I was going to make a 427 Galaxy out of it with the teardrop hood. I don't remember what I was going to do, but I knew I had something I wanted to do with it. So I told him, I said, man, just send me over one of those. And what did he do? He sure did. He sent it right over to me. That was a heck of a trade for me. All right, guys. Set that over to the side here. All right. And I was at, let's see, it was an antique store, flea market, where you want to call it. This is the next one I got. This is the Attempt 1 record car, Hot Rod Magazines, REVELL. Let's see. I think this kit, let's see here, the date on this box. Where's the kit at? 1989. Hey, that was the year me and my wife got married. About 34 years ago. This kit here is steel sealed on the inside. Excellent shape. So that's the one I got. And here's another one I got right here. Look at this. I have 1, 2, 3. I've got 4 of these now. And I love these kits. I absolutely love my British cars. This one here is a reissue. It's not the original issue. I think this one here is from like 1996. Everything's still in its bags. Excellent shape. Great score right there. Love these things. All right. Now then, let's talk about these right here. I got 4 of these vintage kits. I was looking on the Facebook Marketplace. Local guy, well, I say local, Arkansas guy, about 2 hours away, had these on there. This is from the 60s, 1932 Ford Victoria customizing kit. And the thing about these are the kits that I guess you could only get at the Ford dealership, the actual Ford dealership, like you would get your promos or whatever. Never, ever been built. You can see it's never been touched. Look here, it's even got the little Ford dealership thing right there. Instructions. Of course, you know, on the box it just shows one way. You know, it's the way the box art is, but you can build it custom, drag, whatever, you know. 2 sets of decals in this one. I bagged up the tires. The chrome's in excellent shape. Not only one of these. Let's see. Voila. I got 2 of these. This one here has a little booklet in here, a little brochure. This has never been built. Look at this. I've never ever seen this piece of literature in here. I guess it's talking about the promos or whatever. Look at that. Look at this. Never ever seen any of those before. And I got a lot of old kits, and I've never seen that little booklet in one of these before. Very nice. Same way. This kits are same way. Guys, I give $20 a piece for these. $20 a piece. Let's throw that out of the way. From the same guy, like I said, I bought 4 kits. I got this one right here. It's the tall tee. It's got 2 complete kits in here. Of course, on the box art, it's only showing, you know, the tall tee. You could build it the turtleback, the tall tee. You can build the pickup, but it's got the custom version kit in it. It's the double kit. This one here comes with everything, the instruction decals, and then it comes with this sheet right here. Be sure to look for these other great Ford products right here. That is very cool. What do you think about that, guys? Tell me if you think I scored. That's a pretty good deal, I think. Put this over to the side. And then I got the B model. Look at there. 32 Ford. It's got the spare tires on it. You can see that right there. This one comes with the 4-cylinder. It says customizing kit. Stock custom competition. Check this sucker out. Chrome. Of course, I bagged the tires. Y'all notice that I bagged the tires and everything. Decals. This one also come with that little piece of paper here. Decals. And guys, speaking of this kit right here, y'all know I believe in building my vintage kits. This one right here I think is going to be my TROG group build entry, the Race of Gentlemen. You know, put on by Paul over there at Styrene Relics. This will probably be the one I will be building right here. No, it will not be custom. Y'all know the deal. I looked up the rules. We know how it's going to be. Y'all go and get in on that group build if you want to, because that's going to be one heck of a group build right there. I'm dang sure getting in on it, so get in on it, guys. Alright, and then my last 2. I was at the hobby shop there in Branson. I went by Branson up there in Missouri. It's only about 3 hours away. Branson Hobbies. And y'all know old Mr. Thomas White. He is building this Atlantis Jungle Gym Vega. And he is doing one hell of a job, guys. So I had to have me one. Not to be a copycat, but I got every one of these. Why not get this one? But that ain't the only one I got, guys. So I was there. I went ahead and got Mongoose's dragster, too. Y'all know I love my 32 scale, and y'all know I love to put detail into them. So I had to have that, too. And yes, my 32 scale Vauxhall is done, but I will make a different video for that. And that matter of fact, I'll probably do that one on the 28th, the last day of the small scale group build, hosted by Brian and myself. All right, let's talk about this car right here. This is going to be my new project. I have 3 or 4 of these big 1/8 scale Jaguars. This one here's been started, pulled apart. I started pulling it all apart, or it's all pulled apart, sorry. I got this one off old George, matter of fact, my buddy George. And I got another one. I got 2 of them off George, not to mention the ones I already have. But this right here, if I get to make Acme, is going to be my 100 years of Le Mans. This is going to be my Le Mans car. Let me try to get that in the frame there. Y'all know here a while back that I petitioned Justin to make me some decals and some 3D parts and stuff. And so this is what's going to be on the bench next, and then I'll set it aside when the TROG build starts. But this is it. This is what's on the bench next. I've got to cut out this back hatch, door, whatever you want to call it there. Hatchback door, whatever the heck you want to call it. I got to cut that out. I've got to, of course, get rid of mold lines, all the stuff. But what I'm going to do is I got to build a roll bar for this. I've got to build a fuel cell. The fuel cap goes up here with the fuel cell going down. Of course, Justin made me the Dunlop tires, the Weber carbs, and the wheels and everything. I got to build a fuel cell back here, so when you open it up, you got the fuel cell and the spare tire goes back here. It's Le Mans car, has to have the spare tire. Now, these big Jaguars are US spec. They come with the driver or normal side, left-hand side steering. Well, I got to switch it over to right-hand side steering, so I got to modify the dash and all that. Master cylinder had to be moved to this side, of course, stuff like that. But yeah, that's the next project. Y'all guys tell me what you think about it. Tell me if you like it. All right, guys. Like I said, this is just going to be a short, sweet video. Anybody I mention in this video will be in the description below, so get down there and give them a like, sub, share, whatever, the deal, guys. And I'm very behind on a lot of videos. I've had a lot of stuff going on, so I'll get caught up when I get caught up. But if you ain't seen me on there, I'll eventually get there, guys. Love you. Bye.